We have an extremely dialed-in 1965 Chevy El Camino. It's a rust-free West Coast car to start with. Had a complete body off frame restoration about 5,600 miles ago. Upgraded with an LS motor, air conditioned, custom interior, all sorts of good stuff. But I want to tell you, I bought a 55 Chevy from this gentleman a few years ago. It was everything he said it was. It was dialed in. This car, same exact thing. Every car goes through our shop for inspection. I don't know if we've ever pushed a car through without having to spend $1. Well, this one did it. There's nothing on the ticket because nothing had to be done to it. We did inspect it, but anyway, my point is this car's dialed in. It looks absolutely brand new like it was done yesterday, and you can get in and drive it. The gentleman I bought it from is the one who put 5,000 miles on it, and again, he keeps his cars meticulous. You can go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find price tags on 200 collector cars that are for sale. And there's a monthly payment with each one, so you can afford it. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new ones are posted. Here I am again, standing in front of a car that is laser beam straight with mirror finish paint. The gaps are really nice on the hood. It does get tight back here. There's room, but it's a little tight, and there's actually a little tiny chip on the edge of the fender. Absolutely straight. Side of the car is absolutely straight. This fender is all clean, lines up, square, flush. There's not a bubble or a pimple or anything like that. Absolutely clean, straight, no rust. Really no rust car. This thing is dry, clean body and floors. Tailgate's pristine. We'll open that up in a little bit. All of this is absolutely straight and clean. New gas cap. All along the bottom, it's as shiny and straight as it is up on top. Nice. All this is in really excellent shape. This paint job is absolutely better than it was when it was new, better than the brand new car you're driving right now. It's just bright red like glass. There's some real fine two-color hand pinstripe, and it says LS right here, as the LS motor. It comes back here and has a little scroll work, and that's where it ends. It's very subtle. Some of you are already writing a reply that that's not a 65, it's a 64. He preferred the 64 front grille, so that's what he put in there. And this is all sparkling, all the trim is bright and shiny, beautiful. It says Chevrolet right here, but notice there's no emblems on the side. Wanted just a nice clean look. All the stainless trim is shiny and straight, very mild dimple right here. Wipers are straight. Glass is crystal clear. Rubber gaskets were replaced all the way around, all in here. This is all real nice. A couple, I mean like hairline scratches. Door handles look new. This chrome looks to be very nice original. So just mild surfaced wear, but very nice. This piece looks new. Rear windows, probably real nice original. Corner chrome, this chrome is new. Tail lights, it's a pretty cool tail light, follows the body line. Bumper, all this is like brand new. We'll get to the bed in a minute, but this lifts up real nice, shuts real nice, looks real nice. Sitting on some torque thrust wheels with Cooper tires. I mean, they look brand new. I'm sure they're 15-inch. That's what they look like. Got a nice stance to it. Got a bow tie Chevy mirror. So that's the outside. Let's get inside and check it out. This tonneau cover really fits nicely. I like this tonneau cover. Lifts up real nice. There's a latch for the tailgate. Wow, look at that. That is slick. You don't want to have a tailgate party on this thing. It's too clean. Inside of this box is probably nicer than the outside of most El Caminos. Look how beautiful that is. Chrome hinges. Yeah, it's really nice. I'm impressed. If you want to be texted when our new arrivals come in, you can text the word new to 844-592-2431. Yeah, someone did a killer paint job. Even the jambs are slick. The bottom of the door, rust-free. The weather strips fit real nice. Complete custom interior, diamond stitched with red stitching, custom upholstered doors. All the trim inside the car is painted a satin black. It's got a nice looking set of gauges. Turn on the key and get those lit up. I think they light up red. We'll find out here in just a moment. Of course, I grabbed the wrong key. There we go. There's the red gauges. They're coded digital. Yeah, 5,573 miles since restored. All nice, clean instrument panel. Retro stereo fits right in the factory spot. Uses the original style handles, but it's all electric now. You don't have them hard cables to push. And inside here is our inspection report. They still go through and check everything off that they inspected. That'll go with the car. Nice little pockets here on the kick panels. Carpets are real nice. They're not wrinkled. Custom made console, all upholstered. You got the AC controls and vents. I think this is a cheetah shifter, gated. Nice, you put it in the right spot. Cup holders, and a single disc CD changer mounted right here. Really nice sports seats, very comfortable. This side's a power seat, and all behind the seat is upholstered. And let me see if I can flip it forward here, because I think there's some speakers and stereo equipment back there as well. Yep, speakers, amplifier. And it's tidy everywhere you look. And then the headliner is all custom. Yeah, the whole thing is a really nice custom job. Red stitching on the visors. And then to finish it off, we got a nice custom steering wheel. And under the column is a 12-volt receptacle. You charge your phone. Yeah, real nice, comfortable. So the motor is an LS motor. It's a 5.3 liter, runs smooth as can be. Has a Corvette intake up on the top. Custom valve covers with Chevy bow ties, or cross flags, I should say. Looks like aluminum heads. Has headers. The firewall's all smooth and clean. All the heat and AC is all new, fresh. Has a serpentine belt system. Custom air intake. All custom brackets. It runs cool with an aluminum radiator, big electric fan. And you can rest assured, again, that it's going to run and drive real nicely. Does have power steering hiding down there. Just a nice clean engine compartment. Look how nice he kept it, not even dusty. See how nice the tailgate closes. Nice. So body off the frame, I was saying earlier, it's really rust-free. The floors, they look like a chalkboard, just how smooth they are. They're not pitted. All the seams are crisp and clean, all painted up real nicely. It's got disc brakes at all four of the wheels. Got a really nice exhaust system. going all the way out behind each rear tire. The fuel system looks new. Everything under the car looks like new. You look up at the motor, it's nice and clean, has a high torque starter. It has the 4L60E overdrive automatic transmission in there. New 336 posi gears, new ring and pinion. I feel like I'm forgetting something, but the bottom of the car, it's all new and it looks like new. Again, pristine, dialed in, ready for show and go. You could hop in this car right now and go anywhere you want. Right now, though, go to volocars.com. That's how you can talk to the salesman. They'll answer your questions, including how to get this delivered, how to get it financed. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.